Want to start using the Remind app to stay connected with your school, but not sure where to begin? Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing it step by step. First, unlock your phone and open the Play Store. Once inside, tap on the Search tab at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type Remind. And when the results appear, look for Remind, School Communication. Tap on it to open the app page. Next, tap the Install button. If your phone asks, confirm the download with your password, fingerprint, or Face ID. Now, just wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs. You'll see the progress circle fill up, and when it's done, tap Open to launch the Remind app and start setting up your account. And that's it. You've successfully installed Remind on your phone. If you'd like to explore other apps that can make school and studying easier, I've got another helpful tutorial waiting for you. Just click the video on your screen now to check it out. Thanks so much for watching. If this guide helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.